No returns, returns, or free returns. Now, most of the bigger sellers will tell you to offer free returns, which I did. I always offered returns, but recently I started offering free returns to generate more sales. Now, did I generate more sales? I mean, I haven't tested it out fully to know if it actually garnered me more sales, but I do know it garnered me way more returns. My returns used to be around 2.5, 2.6. As of today, as of right now, my returns are about 4.9, pretty much 5%, double. So my returns have gone up, and about 99% of my returns are don't like it or don't fit. Now, I used to get those before, but you got a 50-50 chance that they won't return the item once they realize they have to pay for the return. But now with free returns, 100%, 100%, they're returning the item. So that got me thinking, that got me thinking, is it even really needed to offer returns or, free returns? So I checked on eBay under men's clothing. I checked to see how many items sold. That was about 5 million items. Then I checked to see how many was offering returns, just returns in general. And it was about 3.6 million, about 70%. So you pretty much have to offer at least returns. Then I checked to see who's offering free returns. And it's 1.1 million, about 21%, 20%. So at least 80% of the sellers out there are not doing free returns. Now, I'm not saying you don't have to do free returns. I don't know what they're selling. If you're selling cheaper items, I don't know if you want to be competitive. I don't have that data yet. But it just got me to thinking, I don't know if I need to do free returns. It's just something I haven't really fully come to grips yet. I haven't been liking these returns. There's a lot of returns. Now, for top rated plus benefits, you get, like I said, 10% off of your final value fee. So if you sold $1,000, if you sold, let's say, if eBay collected $1,000 worth of fees from you, you would have saved $100. All right. That's not bad. That's not bad if you're not having that much returns. But at 5%, I think I would be making more money if they don't return the item. That's just what I'm thinking. I don't know yet. So, do you guys offer returns or free returns? Are you thinking about doing free returns? I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on, but I would have to test it out. Probably next month, I would have to give it a full 30 days test to see how it impact my sales. I don't think it will that much. I really don't. And I would have to calculate how much money I'm saving or losing by not taking that extra 10% on the final value fee. So there you go. Returns. Free returns anyway. I don't like them so far. I'll tell you right now, I don't like it. It's been about a month and a half, and my returns doubled in a month and a half, and it's all just no fit or I don't like it. So, all right, let me know what you guys think. I'm out.